First one would be Stephanie.
Okay, Darnell,
Yes,
is you got Donaldson, Alondria,
okay,
Donaldson. You have DeMoss, Roger DeMoss. You ready?
yep,
You got Howard Riley,
next,
Stephanie Dykes,
next,
and I think we're ready on Reyes.
Reyes,
That's
Reyes.
for that's interpreter.
Reyes,
Are we
okay.
ready on that? House counsel for Reyes.
Yeah, that's going to be a plea. May I know the offer?
Okay, let's
The
do that one
offer-
first.
I'm sorry.
Let's do that.
And that's the Reyes, okay,
Okay, you got the offer. The offer on that one is count one, plead guilty, dismiss. Well, I'm sorry, count one is improper place, Mr. Balkman.
Nice.
Count 2 and 3 is going to be dismissed.
Yeah, he's gonna, that's what I've discussed with him. I can take the interpreter back into the breakout room now, and that case will be ready. I did
Okay,
make a
well,
mistake.
we can go online because she just got it interpreted anyway. You've already talked with him, right?
Yes, I have.
Okay, well, we can just bring him on out and we can.
Mr.
interpret it.
Boffman, did he understand the whole explanation and the his rights and stuff?
He did.
Okay.
He's there with someone who's
Oh, okay.
family, you know. I managed to speak to him, and then I realized somebody was in the background. But if you would like, we can,
Yeah, if you still want to go in there,
I think we
Ms.
should be
Vivian, you
sure.
still can.
I think we
Okay.
should.
Okay, which room is it?
I don't know. I think he's in room 2.
He's
Two.
out now. Let's just do it all on the record.
Okay.
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 I
Please,
did indicate that somebody was compliant and they're not. That is Mr. Davis Stallworth. I meant to tell you is August Robinson. She's in compliance.
okay, I bring August Robinson,
Yes.
okay,
Was that August?
Robinson, yes.
Mr. Riley, put your phone on mute.
I'm in court and shit.
Wait a minute. Who's that?
Riley. I had muted him and then he unmuted himself again.
Riley about to get discharged.
So what? I don't understand.
Mr. Riley, stay muted, sir. Don't push nothing. Stay muted. You keep unmuting yourself.
We wait for Miss August to appear. Miss August Robinson, she should be coming up. Okay.
All right, well, can we just?
Okay. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, driving, walking around. Please go somewhere where you can be in a quiet space. And when your name is called, unmute your device and give the court your full attention. Ms. Robinson, please mute your device.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Sorry, I just unplugged everything. Good morning. We'll start with Arturo Reyes Nava.
Vamos a llamar el caso de Arturo Reyes Nava. Enciende su micrófono y su video. Turn on your video and microphone.
The people versus Arturo Reyes Nava, ticket number P121534. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driver's license never acquired.
Este es el caso de la ciudad en contra Arturo Reyes Nava, SP 1215034, conduciendo un vehículo sin registración o título, no tenía aseguranza y tampoco no tenía licencia conseguida.
Good morning.
morning.
Please state your names for the record, starting with interpreter Vivian.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Antonia, Antonia. My last name is Vivian, Vivian.
Good morning,
Vivian, can you
Your
raise
Honor.
right
Harry
hand?
Bachman for the defendant.
Ms. Vivian, do you swear to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
All right. And then Mr. Bachman, say his name for the record. Mr. Reyes Nava, can you say your name for the record?
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Good morning.
Soy Harry Boffman, representando el acusado. Señor Reyes, diga su nombre por la acta. State your name for the record.
Arturo Reyes Nava.
Arturo Reyes Nava.
Thank you,
Mr. Bachman.
Your Honor. The defendant and I have had an opportunity to speak about the cases today.
Buenos días, su señoría. Yo y el señor Reyes Nava tuvimos oportunidad de hablar de su caso hoy.
He is ready to waive his rights and plead guilty to improper plate.
Él está listo para renunciar sus derechos y declararse culpable para placas inadecuadas.
He understands that some cases are being dismissed against him here, and I stipulate the probable cause for those dismissed.
Y él también entiende que los otros casos se van a renunciar y yo también estipulo a la causa probable.
Okay, Mr. Reyes Nava, can you raise your right hand?
Señor Reyes Nava, ¿puede levantar su mano derecha?
Mis placas están bien.
My plates are fine.
I understand.
Do you
Okay, so
swear
this is
or
why we
affirm
need
to
a
tell the
breakout
whole
room, Your
truth?
Honor.
Ok, entonces por eso ahora tenemos que ir al cuarto virtual.
I'm sorry, what was that, Mr. Bachman?
That sounds correct. Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna need a breakout.
So we are all set. I will mute my device
What
until
we
you
call
all
this,
are ready for me.
Vamos a
Mr.
tener que ir en una sala para hablar con el abogado otra vez.
Okay.
Sí.
Okay.
Call this one. Let me do, Howard Riley. Turn your video on, unmute yourself. This is the people versus Howard Riley.
Yes.
Number P12611084, count 1, dirty obscured and properly displayed plate. Count 2, drive-out license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Say your name, Mr. Riley. State your name, Mr. Riley.
Howard McDonald Riley III. I'm having, for some reason, I can't, it's not on speaker. I can't hear it right all the way.
Keep like that then. Go ahead, Mr. Bachman.
So, Your Honor, the defendant was able to send compliance documents to my attention. I did forward those to Ms. Horn. I have reviewed them and find them to be valid. As an officer of the court, I'm asking that the court would consider here a dismissal against the defendant here, of the cases against the defendant for compliance.
Okay, you stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Bachman.
Yes, I stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal here today. Thank you.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Riley. Good luck. Let's do
Thank you.
Alondria Donaldson. This is the people versus Alondria Donaldson, ticket number P12769997, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Alondria Donaldson.
Thank you. The defendant is here for the purpose of a show cause. We will waive any formal reading of the information and stand mute for arraignment purposes and indicate that the defendant did send to me compliance documents which I have reviewed and find to be valid. I've forwarded those to the prosecutor, Ms. Horn. I'm asking the court here to consider a motion to dismiss based on my testimony as an officer of the court that the defendant presents today with valid documentation. Thank you, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Bachman.
So stipulated. Thank you. Yes.
Is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Donaldson. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
August Robinson. This is the People versus August Robinson, ticket number SP 1227399, count 1, driver unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, improper plates. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please.
August Robinson.
Thank you. Ms. Robinson presents today with valid documents, Your Honor. I have seen and reviewed those. I have sent them to the prosecutor. I'm asking the court to consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice, and I'm stipulating the probable cause for the stop. Thank you.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Those tickets are, good luck to you, Ms. Robinson, and you are all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome. Second. Okay, we have Stephanie Dykes here. We got Roger Dumas. Oh, she is here. Stephanie Dykes. You gonna mute yourself?
She's
The
driving.
People versus Stephanie Dykes, number P 1331850, count 1, driver's license expired, count 2, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. I'm going to take a moment and allow Ms. Dykes to pull over and demonstrate that she's not driving the vehicle. Ms. Dykes, are you able to pull over safely?
Okay, I gotta find a spot to pull over.
All right, we'll recall her since she's driving while she's in court.
Thank you.
Okay, Roger Dumas, this is People versus Roger Dumas, ticket number SP 1133906, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Roger
Harry
Dumas.
Bachman. I'm sorry, Mr. Dumas. Could you state your name, please, again?
Roger Dumas.
Thank you. Harry Bachman for the defendant, Your Honor. He presents with valid documents. I've seen those and sent them to the prosecutor. I'm asking the court to consider a motion to dismiss based on his compliance, and I'm stipulating the probable cause for the stop. Thank you.
Okay, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Good luck to you, Mr. Dumas. You are all set, and you can go back into a breakout room with Mr. Reyes Nava and Ms. Vivian.
Okay. So they are already in room 3.
Vamos a regresar al cuarto número 3.
Ajá.
Tenés que regresar. It's room 3, correct?
It is room 3, yes.
Tenés que tocar la pantalla donde hay las salas y andar al número 3.
It doesn't show.
I will move him into room 3.
Okay, thank you.
Can you make me host and I can make you co-host?
Okay, yes.
Thank you. Yeah, he's host.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, make the court host.
Jacob Davis, I need to figure out what's going on with him. That's why. You said you didn't see him, right? Can you bring him out, Darnell?
Who is it?
Well, maybe I can get him out of there. I'll try. Jacob Davis in room 7.
Okay, Jacob Davis.
Ms. Mustafa, are you ready? Good morning.
There's a couple of issues, Your Honor. So I can patiently wait. mean, I was gonna ask for a new date, but there was cases on the record that you dismissed on May 24th. So I'm sorry, it's confusing.
Who is she on?
Jay, was it Ramirez?
Ramirez?
Was he scheduled for on the docket today?
Mr. Ramirez was originally here on May 24th, and we were told on May 24th that for the cases that would still be open would come back on July 13th. And Ms. Horn thankfully contacted me and let me know somehow he was on the
Can you
docket.
give me the
today.
case numbers?
Do I have the case numbers?
Yeah. How many of them was it? It don't matter.
Which ones, Clerk Ratliff? Which ones do you need?
Well, the ones that well, any of them that we were trying to deal with today.
Okay, well, there's quite a few of them. So the ones that were supposed to be dismissed are that were dismissed on May 24th are SP 11605-791.
Wait, SP 116 what?
Sure, 605-791. And there's a 2 and 3 with that.
I guess he visits a
What's
lot.
the next one?
The
I know who
next
you're talking
one
about, too.
is
I think it's Asian name, like at the end.
SP 11665-891.
11665-891.
Correct.
Okay.
The next one is SP 1202-9261.
Okay, hold on one second.
Ms. Dykes is described. Okay. Miss.
Did we do Roger DeMoss? He can leave. Did we do that one already?
Yeah.
Who?
Roger DeMoss, didn't we do him already?
Roger, yes, we did. Roger Dumas. Yes, we did. Miss without proper documents.
Hey, Darnell, did you have the meeting room locked up?
No.
Can you lock it up?
Okay. Miss Reese, why you keep leaving the breakout room? Kathy Reese.
All right, Mr. Bachman, you're ready on Reyes Nava?
Yes, Your Honor.
Estamos listos para llamar el caso de Reyes Nava.
Sí.
Recalling the people versus Arturo Reyes Nava, ticket number P1215034. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, please, sir.
Estamos llamando el caso a través de SP1215034. Harry Bachman representando al acusado. Señor, diga su nombre por la acta.
Arturo Reyes Nava.
Arturo Reyes Nava.
Your Honor, the defendant is going to plead guilty here to improper plate.
El acusado se va a declarar culpable para las placas inadecuadas.
He knows he has a right to a trial as well as rights that go with trial. He's going to waive those here today.
Y él sabe que tiene derechos de tener un juicio, pero él renuncia a todos esos derechos aquí hoy.
Mr. Reyes Nava, can you, I think you're still under oath.
I am under oath still, Your Honor, yes.
Right, no, but didn't I,
The defendant did not get sworn in.
can you raise your right hand, Mr. Reyes Nava?
Señor Reyes Nava, suba su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted afirma y jura de decir toda la verdad y nada más de la verdad?
Sí.
Yes. Baja la mano.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Baughman today in private about your case and your rights.
Usted tuvo la oportunidad hoy de hablar con el señor Baughman de sus derechos y de su caso.
Ajá, sí.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
¿Alguno te amenazó o te prometió algo de valor para que usted se declare culpable aquí hoy?
No.
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
¿Y usted se declara de su propia libertad?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
¿Y usted entiende que cuando se declara culpable renuncia al derecho de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
¿Y usted que ahora sabe que renuncia a su derecho para tener un juicio, todavía quiere continuar con su declaración de ser culpable?
No. Sí.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 18, 2021 at 10:51 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Livernois and Pasadena in the city of Detroit?
Quiero que usted preste atención a la fecha de 18 de junio 2021, a eso de las 10:51 de la mañana. ¿Usted estaba cerca de Livernois y Pasadena en la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you driving a 99 Ford vehicle?
¿Y usted estaba conduciendo un vehículo de 99 de Ford?
Sí.
Yes.
Was the vehicle untitled or unregistered?
¿Y ese vehículo le faltaba registración y título?
Sí. No.
Yes.
No, porque traía. Bueno, las placas eran las que estaban vencidas.
Well, yes, the plates
Pero
were
yo tengo mi
expired,
título.
but I have the title.
Okay, so it wasn't registered. If it was expired, it wasn't registered, correct?
Entonces no era registrado apropiadamente, estaba vencido, ¿correcto?
Sí. Estaba
Yes.
expirado.
Yes, it was
Yo
expired.
tenía mi cita en mi teléfono.
Okay, you're satisfied,
Okay.
Mr. Baughman?
I am, thank you, yes.
¿Estoy satisfecho, señor Baughman? Sí, estamos satisfechos.
I'm also satisfied with
Yo
the
también
factual
estoy
basis.
satisfecha.
And we'll amend the count 1 to improper plate.
Vamos a reducir el cargo, el primer cargo a placas inadecuadas.
Ah,
Do you stipulate-
sí.
Yes.
Do you stipulate the probable cause to the remaining counts to be dismissed, Mr. Baughman?
Yes, so stipulated, Your Honor, thank you.
Vamos a estipular a causa probable de renunciar todos los otros cargos. ¿Está de acuerdo con eso, señor Baughman? Ya, sí, su señoría.
Okay, they're dismissed without prejudice and we'll proceed to sentencing.
Van a ser renunciados sin prejuicio y vamos a proceder a la sentencia.
There'll be a fine of $200 that is due on July 10th.
Es una multa de $200 que se tiene que pagar antes del 10 de julio.
Oh, sí.
Okay,
You can pay
yes.
that- Okay, you can pay it by July 11th.
¿Usted lo puede pagar antes del 11 de julio?
Sí.
Yes.
You're all set, good luck.
Usted está listo ahora. Buena suerte, se puede ir.
Dígale que cómo
Okay.
se va a pagar. ¿Cómo se va a pagar?
How do I pay this?
You can pay it online, there's a phone number you can pay it on, or you can, just kiosk around the city where you can pay it. Would you like the phone number?
Se puede pagar en línea, en la internet, o por teléfono, o en kioscos que hay por la ciudad. ¿Usted necesita el número de teléfono para pagar por teléfono?
Sí.
Yes.
It's 855-798-1567.
La traigo una.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear the last 4 digits.
Acá está.
1-5-4-7.
So it's
Acá está el
I'm
papel.
sorry, 798-1547, right? Okay. They were talking in the background. I couldn't hear you. El número es 855
Ajá.
798
Sí.
1547.
Ok. Entonces
Okay.
podemos pagar en el kiosco.
And we can pay it on the kiosks.
Yes.
Sí.
Ok.
Okay.
You're all set, thank you.
Ya está todo listo. Se puede ir.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you very much. Okay. Bye-bye.
Ok. Bye bye.
Stephanie Dykes. This People versus Stephanie Dykes, ticket number P1331850. Count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, tinted windows, front driver passenger windshield more than 4 inches. Good morning, please take your name for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Stephanie Dykes.
Thank you. Defendant presents today with valid and compliant documents. We ask the court to consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice and would stipulate the probable cause for that.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice, and you are all set, Ms. Dykes.
Thank you.
Members of the Air Force even a visitor at school with a surprise. For these stories and more, listen to the Black Information.
So I'm gonna go back to interviewing
Mr. Baughman, could you please do Jawan Dubos? Because we have
I'm
one.
going right now.
Okay.
I'm going right now because we have those officers here.
Okay.
So
Okay,
I'm
Mr.
looking
Baughman,
at
any information you need on any of your clients as far as recommendations that I can verbally give you?
at this time, no, but I still have like 9 other people to interview.
Do you want me to give you recommendations for those people? Starting with room 2, Reese? Verbally?
Yes.
Okay. Kathy Reese?
Ms. Reese won't connect the audio.
It's gonna be lead down to OWBI.
Okay.
The next, that's in breakout room 2. In breakout room 4, we have Du Bois. Du Bois, let's see if the offer on there. Du Bois' offer is, there's no plea offer she want to give on that. He has BAC of 21.
Okay, so he's high BAC.
Okay, and he was in breakout room 5. Next breakout room, it will be 7. Jacob Davis, he got retained attorney on that one, I believe so. And
Yeah,
next one is breakout room 9, be Lynn Darby. And for Darby, case ended in 756, count 1 and 2, plead responsible. All other matters dismissed.
One moment, I'm trying to find Darby on my docket.
He's in breakout room number 9.
What room? Okay. Got it.
Got it? Okay.
Anybody? I'll be right back.
And then we have a Kizzy Davis Howard in breakout room number 12.
Yeah.
That, you can still talk with her, but I don't have a recommendation. Is driving while license not valid
She's
or improper.
compliant.
That's probably a simple one.
She's compliant.
She's compliant?
Yes.
Okay, I write that on
Let
the
me
file.
find it on my document. One moment. Okay, that's my problem. Kizzy Davis is set for trial when there's no complaining witness. I'm sorry.
Okay, so that's gonna be a dismissal.
Yes. And so,
Okay, so then that leaves Asia Robinson. She's in breakout room 16.
I did interview Ms. Robinson. She's continuing a not guilty plea. So we asked for a trial date for her.
Okay, and Crystal Ratcliffe.
I haven't spoken to that person yet.
There's no recommendation. It's a state matter.
Okay. I'll see if I can use the MOU.
All right, you wanna deal with those right now, and then we come back and get the last crew?
Yes, my head is swimming. Yes.
Okay,
Challenge today, okay? So I'll be right back. Mr. DeBose is in what room?
Mr. DeBose is in breakout room number 5.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, Galaxy 801, unmute your device and give me your name again. Unmute your device. Touch your screen and touch the microphone. Unmute your device.
Darnell,
Yes,
if they keep coming out of the breakout room, put them in the waiting room.
well, they didn't come out the breakout room, they just disconnected themselves.
Okay.
Galaxy 801. Unmute your device, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead, Darnell. The attorney for
Hello?
Okay, what is your name again? Why did you leave the breakout room?
Who, me?
Yes.
I don't know how to do this stuff.
What is your name again?
Bennett Dancer.
Okay, Mr. Dancer. Let me see.
They got me down for 2 court.
Okay, Mr. Dancer, I got you. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Stay in that breakout room. Wait patiently. Attorney be in there to speak with you momentarily. If you hang up that phone or if you answer it, and if it kick you out the meeting, you won't be able to come back in. So just be patient. Don't do nothing to that phone.
Okay.
Don't answer it. Don't let it die out or anything.
All right.
All right, Ms. Mustafa. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm trying. Okay, I got the last case number that you gave me was ending SP 1160571. That was the last one you gave me. What's the other ones? So we can try to get your matters resolved.
Okay. So you have 605791?
Yeah.
Okay.
With,
Then
yeah,
there's
605,
number
yep.
Number
Mhm.
2 and 3 from that same case
Oh, so
they
it's a
were all
couple.
dismissed on May 24th.
SP 1160571.
So it was set for trial and there was no officer and the court dismissed it.
Now, you said all these cases you gave me were dismissed? You're muted.
Sorry, just the 791, 792, and 793,
Okay.
just those three.
And what's up in regards to the other matters?
So the other matters are on a trial track. And on May 24th, we had set it for a pretrial for July 13th so I could get discovery. But somehow it ended up on today. And there's a couple of them that have an arraignment for June 16th that we already dealt with on May 24th. It's a little confusing.
One's on June 25th. What's the case number?
The case numbers
Oh, you
for the
already
ones
gave
on
them to
June
me.
16th? Yes,
Yeah.
those are U 61778121. Another U 61787521. And then 217373951.
What was the
And-
last one again? You just quoted
The U1 or the 2-1?
the 2-1.
Okay, 217373951
Okay.
and 217373952.
Okay.
And that's it for the what's on June 16th.
So is that everything?
There was a couple other ones that are here today. Those are also set. I mean, those were going to be, I'm waiting for discovery on. So there's one,
Waiting on
I'm
the process.
counting 1, 2, 3, 4.
Still waiting
5.
on the prosecutor on those?
No, I'm waiting for discovery. She and I talked.
Oh, okay.
So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on today's docket. 3 of them were dismissed on May 24th. And so the other 4 are I'm setting them for trial and I'm waiting for discovery. And the same
Alright,
thing is true for the June 16th cases. Those are waiting for discovery and we're setting for trial.
Okay, so I'm just trying to label them. The ones
No
that we're
problem.
setting for trial, which ones are those?
The ones that are here today,
Okay.
the ones that are going to trial here today,
I was looking for it on my docket, so I didn't,
sure.
but I see it. I got the Joker highlight. I seem like I had that file somewhere. I don't know what happened to it, but. Okay, so the ones on the docket today are being set for trial?
Yes, I'm waiting for discovery, so we were probably gonna do another pre-trial. I was gonna ask for one a little further out. We originally said July 14th. I was gonna ask for one a little further out than that. I mean, July 13th, I apologize.
Is this the second final pre-trial we set up already?
No, for some of them, we were just arraigned in May. I don't know why it says final pre-trial. I haven't gotten discovery. We were just arraigned in May.
Well, we have a case, case agent report we have to comply with, so we can't, adjourn things out of hope, continue to adjourn things per out, because we have a case agent report we have to comply with.
I understand that may be true for one of the cases that is not on today's docket, but this one was arraigned on May 24th. And we adjourned it out till July. We adjourned it out to July for me to get discovery. We were only here 3 weeks ago. We were arraigned in May. So it's not that those aren't old cases. there is one case that I